an awesome saw. You can see how clean the cut is.
I think I should document this.
This circular saw has lots of clever designs. For example, this hook would fit a 2x4, so you can hand it safely like that. And the guard is magnesium. Unlike some cheap circular saws that has plastic material, it features electric brake, so it will stop very quickly. The dust port here in the back works very well. Shut off from this side. Brushless motor, shoe height adjustments. So make sure you just expose the few teeth when you're cutting through the material. No need to do something like this. Not only it creates more resistance, also a bit more dangerous, and also make sure you stand on this side. Stand clear from the back of the saw to prevent kickback. A built-in wrench. A slightly angled design. You can change your blade easily using the built-in wrench. There's a button you can depress when you're changing the blade to lock it in place. Depress the safety trigger to engage the blade. Otherwise, it will not run at all. You won't be able to push it all the way down. And pay attention to that dust port. All right.
I think I should document this.
19.63.
Let's load it up and make the cut.
Hearing protection.
And now let's check the battery.
All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this review helpful.